स्विच
कमीशन
करने का
लगता है।
खाली।
मतलब पैसा
क्या
बाद में से
जमाना
कर
आ गया रे। गिरा ना, मतलब गिरा रहा था, अभी गया वापस, लेकिन उसने काफी नुकसान कर दिए। 5-7 लाख का नुकसान ज्यादा कर दिया।
नोटिस में भेजा था क्या?
हाँ, 5-7 लाख का नुकसान कर दिए इतने दूर में,
हेलो
2 घंटे में। हाँ, जैसी भी लगे। बैड न्यूज, बैड इवनिंग, बैड। मूड खराब हो गया देख के। कोई पॉलिटिशियन से पहचान नहीं थी। नहीं नहीं नहीं, इसमें वो नहीं करना है, इसको बंद करो। इसमें एक ये पीडीएफ है, वो स्प्लिट स्क्रीन डालना है। पीडीएफ बना दो। वो समझ गए।
पीडीएफ कौन सा बोलो फटाक से।
इसमें होगा वो।
मनोहर पांडे।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, दिशा का पब्लिकेशन का देखो ना।
एनडीए मैच
हाँ,
होगा।
दिशा है। ये डालना है। ये 14 ईयर 18 ईयर का डालना चाहिए ना। चलो चलो, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक। 14 ईयर ही होगा, ऑनलाइन मिला होगा।
डायरेक्ट पढ़ेंगे इसमें।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, इसके नहीं पढ़ाएंगे, इसमें पढ़ाने में पूरा कचरा हो जाएगा। इसे पढ़ा दो क्या, डायरेक्ट बोल। हाँ, अलग से पढ़ाओ ना, अलग से। गया वो लोग लेके, जैसे भी गया पटा हुआ। हाँ, बैड इवनिंग। ओ, माइक चालू किया देखो ना। गुड इवनिंग सक्षम, निवेता, अतुल्या।
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
ओके। नहीं, आज डिफरेंट इंटीग्रेशन है ना। विल डू डिफरेंट इंटीग्रेशन टुडे। Even page different integrations I am saying. Different integration application is started from 361. 361. Now students, solve this question number 1 first, then I will try. Do it, students. Can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So solve the first question. Saksham, are you present? Saksham. Can you solve? Tell me. Students. Nivedita, Atulya, Saksham. कौन प्रेजेंट है देखो Atulya, Saksham is not present. Sakshams. Nivedita, Atulya, Irfan. Can you do it? Tell me yes or no.
Trying, sir.
Okay, try it. Sakshams. Come here. Different integrations and area. Good evening. हेलो हाँ गुड इवनिंग वो सक्षम आज प्रेजेंट नहीं है क्या आज क्या हाँ शाम को 1 मिनट हेलो सक्षम प्रेजेंट नहीं ऑनलाइन नहीं मैं तो ऑफिस में हूँ चेक करना पड़ेगा मुझे ओके मैं कॉल किया उसको कॉल भी नहीं गई वो कॉलेज गया है क्या भाई पूछ रहा था मैं चेक कर देता हूँ फोन करके ओके ओके Tell me, you got the answer? No? You didn't get the answer? Tell me.
No, sir.
So I will solve these 0 to 1. F of x is a times sin px pi x upon 2 plus b and dx. This is equal to 2a times y upon pi. When you will integrate this, you will get a times integration of sin h minus cos. So minus cos pi x by 2 upon pi by 2 plus b of x 0 to 1 2a by pi. So minus 2a upon pi cos pi by 2 0 cos 0 1. This is b 2a upon pi. So minus minus plus 2a upon pi plus b. Yeah, b is 0. 2a upon pi. 2a pi cancel. Right? Let b equal to 0. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
So f dash 1 by 2 is deceiving you. F dash 1 by 2 is deceiving you. धोखा दे रहा है. Right? It's a deceiver. Saksham, now you are present. MNN integer, what is the value of? Solve this question. Question number 2. What question? Sin mx cos sin nx dx. Solve this. Hurry up. Do it. Tompe, do it. Okay. Then good. कल तुम लोग कितना बदमाशी कर रहा था? वो टीचर नहीं थी, मॉम थी उसकी. बातें पता चला मुझे. हाँ, चलो पता था. वो एक गर्ल्स थी, उसकी मॉम थी वो. मैं तो समझा टीचर है वो. तुम लोग इतना बातें बदमाशी कर रहा था आपस में. हाँ. क्लास में थोड़ा एंजॉयमेंट रहेगा तो अच्छा, एंजॉयमेंट भी चाहिए. आपके सर किंग करके क्लास में लर्न विद फन. अच्छा, लर्न विद फन. सॉल्व इट. निवेता, अतुल्या, इरफान, अतुल्या, आर यू सॉल्विंग? अतुल्या, निवेदिता, आर यू सॉल्विंग?
Yes, sir. Solving.
Okay. Atulya, I didn't get your voice. Now
Yes, sir.
multiply with 2 and divide by 2. Multiply with 2 and divide with 2. This will be 2 times sin mx into sin nx dx. Half 0 to pi 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b cos a minus b cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Understood everyone? Tell me, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now this is cos m minus n into x minus cos m plus n into x differentiation of cos is sine. So this is sine m minus n into x upon m minus n, again sine m plus n into x upon m plus n, the limit will be 0 to pi. Right? Here m not equal to n, mn is integer. So integer minus integer is integer. So sine integer multiple of pi is 0. Okay. You will get 0 is the final answer. Understood everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I have solved the question number seconds. Now solve question number third. Do it.
Last से चालू करो ना सब.
Now first solve third, then I will start from last. Solve third. Y equal to mod x. Mod of x minus 1. Area between 0 and 1. The graph will be by the graph. You will find graph like that. Zero to 1. Height is 1. This is the straight line of y equal to x minus 1. When you will put 1, what you will get? 0. And here height 1. So exactly you will get 1. Okay? Any problem? And this is called y equal to minus x. This is called no. This is x minus x. I was wrong. Minus x is minus 2x. Plus 1 is this line. And this line is 2x minus 1. Understood everyone? And this line is y equal to 1. When you draw mod x plus mod x minus mod x plus mod x minus 1, we'll get graph like that. Understood everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Up to find area of this area. So rectangle with height 1 with length 1, that means a square. That means a square. So 1 square is 1. So we'll get 1 unit. B is the correct answer. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now I will tell you the satta of this graph. mod x minus a plus mod x minus b, let a less than b, suppose that both are positive, let both are, so you will get graph like that. Now this graph will be y equal to minus 2x plus a plus b. And this graph will be y equal to 2x minus a minus b. What is this graph? A, B. What is the graph of this? Minus minus before A. So B minus A is the graph. Right? Note it, everyone. Because this graph is a very, very important graph. The point at point A, it's not differentiable. At point B, it's not differentiable. This function is overall not differentiable. But function is continuous. Constant between A to B. Height of constant is B minus A. If B is greater than A, if B is greater than A, then height of constant is B minus A. So lot of question can be framed on this graph. So very, very important. I will recommend extremely important. I will recommend is extremely important. This graph. Understood everyone? Navedita, Atulya, Irfan,
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Satyam, are you present now?
Yes, sir.
Now you are present. Why you are late?
Sir, I was having a power cut.
Oh, right, right. No problem. So I will recommend this graph as extremely important. Ajay? Extremely important. So note it and see the graph carefully. Can I move on? Students?
Yes, sir.
Now some students suggesting me that I should start from end. I should start from end. Is it good? Tell me, students, is it good to start from end? You can tell me freely anything you want. Saksham, Niveta, Atulya. Can I go from bottom to top? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now 1 to 1 question number. What the area of one loop between the y equal c sin x and x axis. One loop. So I will tell you the one loop above the area, above the x-axis positive 2 for y equal to sin x and below the x-axis minus 2. When the area, it will be mod minus 2. Understood, everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now, here y is directly proportional to c, and I have c sin c. So earlier one loop is 2, and it will multiply with c. So the answer is 2c. 1, 1, 2. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
When you have only one multiplication here, 1 multiply sin x, one loop has area 2. One loop area. So if you will multiply with c, that means directly proportional to c. So 2 will multiply with c. Understood? So no need to find separately. Directly give the answer 2 into c. So I will hold for 1 minute. In the meantime, you will solve 120, 120. Solve it. What's the indifferent integration of e raised to ax sin bx dx? 1 upon a square plus b square e raised to ax. Now here sin a sin bx minus differentiation of sin is b sin bx b cos bx. This is a derivative of this. Understood? Very
Yes, sir.
important. I'm writing e raised to ax sin bx dx 1 upon a square plus b square. Now a sin bx, a will take from the constant power of e, then sin bx and the minus differentiation of that. Similarly, you should also remember the formula of this. E raised to ax cos bx dx. This will 1 upon a square plus b square. I will take from a and cos b x. Formula will minus. Differentiation of cos is minus sin, so minus minus plus b sin bx. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now the question here 0 to pi by 2 e raised to sin x given. No, this is not that type of questions. The simple questions. extremely simple. I was thinking in the power I have x, but you have sin x. That's very simple. How? Let's see. Put t equal to sin x. So dt equal to cos x dx. Now xt. When you will put x equal to 0, you will get t equal to 0. When you put x equal to pi by 2, you will get t equal to 1. Understood everyone? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
students. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now the limit will be t limit lower limit 0, for 0 0, for pi by 2 upper limit 1. Now e to the power for sin I will write t, and cos x dx I will write dt. This will be e raised to t 0 to 1. So this will be e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0. So e minus 1 is the correct answer. B is the correct option. Understood everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm giving the time. Solve question number 119. Susil, do it. Do it. Yeah, it will split in 2 times. First, write the graph of sin x between 0 to pi by 2, and then graph of cos x from 0 to pi by 2 for the question number 119. Then you can decide. 0 to pi by 2 modulus sin x cos x. Now I will draw the graph of sin and cos both. Now it will intersect at pi by 4. Intersect at? So before pi by 4, cos is positive. So cos is more than sin. So I have sin x minus cos x. So it will be negative. It will be. So I will split this in 2 portions. 0 to pi by 4 mod sin x minus cos x dx plus 0 to pi by 4, pi by 4 to pi by 2 mod sin x minus cos x dx. Now we can see from the graph, before 0 pi by 4, cos is more than sin. So in sin mod we will find negative. So we will free the modulus after multiply with minus. So this will be 0 to pi by 4. I will multiply with minus pi by 4 to pi by 2. After pi by 4, you can see that sin is more than cos. So you can free modulus directly here. Sin x minus cos x dx. Now you can calculate. Understood everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So calculate it. Hurry up. I am giving you the 2 minutes for calculations. Do it. You got the answer? Tell me, students.
Option B.
Yeah, maybe option B will correct. Now we can also solve by some shortcut methods. I will take root 2 multiply root 2 divide. This is a modulus, so I can take negative minus, so it will be positive. So we will get cos of, or we will get sine of, no problem. Sine of x minus pi of 4. Understood everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So graph will advance. Graph will little bit go ahead. It will go ahead. So how? It will go pi 4 unit ahead. It will go. What we will get at 0, now we will get at pi 4. So this is pi 2. When we put 0, you will get this, right? So when you will take a modulus, this will be your actual graph. Root 2 is the height. Root 2 is the height, right? So these two are the final answers. Any problem? Root 2 times 0 to pi by 4. But we have 2 times of the similar graph. We have 2 times the. So 2 times, right? And 0 to pi by 4 is sign is negative, so I will take extra minus. minus sin x minus pi by 4. Understood everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So 2 root 2 minus sin is cos x. Minus sin is, so cos x minus pi by 4, the limit is 0 to pi by 4. Now 2 root 2, when we will put pi by 4, we will get cos 0, 1. When we put 0, we will get minus pi by 4 cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2. Understood everyone? Now 2 times cancel, 2 times root 2 minus 1. B is the correct answer. Right? Everyone? So we can get like that simply. If you have a guts to calculate the nasty calculations, you can calculate this. First method, okay? Surely I will go with second method. Surely I'll go with second method. Understood everyone? Saksham,
Yes, sir.
Atulya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now solve 118. Minus 1 to minus 1 to plus 1. Differentiation of tan inverse it's a very simple questions but difficult for you because it is discontinuous at x equal to 0 and 0 is lying within interval. 0 is lying. So we have to split this. We have to in the interval. So we'll take minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to and differentiation of tan inverse. What is the differentiation of tan inverse? 1 upon 1 by x whole square minus 1 upon x square dx. Understood? Plus now 0 to 1 upon 1 plus the whole square minus 1 upon x square dx. So minus 1 to 0 minus x square upon x square plus 1 into 1 upon x square dx minus x square upon x square plus 1 into 1 upon x square dx. X square cancel. X square cancel. Understood? I will get minus common. Minus 1 to 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. 0 to 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. So this is the tan inverse. यार बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है मुझे इस पेन से. Minus 1 to 0. Again tan inverse. 0 to 1. So minus tan inverse 0 0. Tan inverse minus 1 pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. So minus plus pi by 4. Tan inverse pi by 4 minus 0 You will get minus pi by 2 as the final answer. So C is the correct answer. Understood everyone? Tell me. Most of the students will do wrong these questions.
Yes, sir.
I think this is a tricky question. This is a, if you will not consider that, it's a discontinuity between interval. Where is discontinuity? Discontinuity at 0, right? So I have to split the interval. I have to, if it is discontinuous, that means non-differentiable. It is non-differentiable, that means it's non-integrable. Understood? So before integration, I have to split the interval. Understood everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now solve. Question number 117. Solve 117. Hurry up. Do it. 80% solve it. 80% solve it. I know it. You, all of you are Dhakka Gadis.
No, sir. All of us are not Dhaka Gadi. All of us are push Gadi.
What is the difference with Dhakka Gadi and Push Gadis?
Dhaka Gadi starts with language D and push Gadi starts with D. इंग्लिश सीखा फिर मैं पूर हो गया.
Do it. 117. Everyone. It's a modulus. Modulus is non-integrable directly. So I have to split the interval or take the graph first. So it will be 0 at 5. So around 0 we have a V shape. Around 0 we have a around 0 we have V shape. We have to integrate from 2 to 5. 2 to 8, sorry. 2 to 8 I have to integrate. This is the length of 3. This is the length of also 3. 8, right? Now 2, when you will put 2, what you will get height? 3. Again you will get 3 heights. So this is also 3. When you will put 8, again you will get height 3. So you have 2 right angle triangles, same right angle triangle. I want to find area, this area. From 2 to this is the width. 3 is the width, right? So half 3 into 3 and 2 times. So this will be 9. So D is the correct answer. So Prithviraj Chauhan, you are absolutely wrong. Yeah. Do you want with a splitting? I will do with a splitting. Before 5, you will get negative value. So we split between 0 to 5. Mod x minus 2, x minus 5. Then 5 to 8. X minus 5 dx. Before 5 modulus is negative, so you will multiply with minus, you will free the modulus. And more than 5, you will get inside modulus positive, you can directly free the modulus. Then you will go with so many steps of calculation. After that, you will get the final answer 9. By graph, I have done in 2 steps. By graph, I have done in 2 steps. Understood, everyone? Tell me. This is the graph of y equal to 5 minus x. This is the graph of y equal to x minus 5. Understood? Tell me.
Yes.
In fact, you are not revising functions. That's so. You are not revising functions. When modulus x, it will be v shape at 0. Because it will be written as x minus 0. So it will be v shape at 0. And this is y equal to x line. And this is y equal to minus x line. Here I have y equal modulus x minus 5. So v shape at 5. V shape at 5. So after 5, you will eliminate modulus without taking anything. Okay? So it will be x minus 5. Before 5, you have to append minus after eliminating modulus. Okay? So when you multiply with minus, it will be 5 minus x. Understood? Now I have to find the area between 2 to 8. 2 to the limit 2 to 8. 2 will be before 5. 8 will be before, after 5. Between, what is the length between 5 and 2? 3. What is the length between 8 and 5? 3. If you will put 2 in the functions, you will get a height 3. So you will write right angle triangle, right isosceles triangle, right isosceles triangle. Understood? 2 right isosceles triangle. So same area, 2 right. So half into product of perpendicular length. We have 2 types of such triangle. Okay, 2 triangle of such types. So 2 into half into product of the perpendicular sides. 2 will cancel. 3 9. We'll get shortcut answer like that. But you can solve this and find the answer 9. You can solve this. It's your choice. Do question number 116. Okay, I'm giving you the 2 minutes. Saksham, Nivedita, Atulya, Irfan, understood question number 117?
Yes, sir.
No, do 116. I told you what is the property of greatest integer. Already told you. See? I have A to B. In both, I will take common. Get S integer. Get S in a minus x dx. What is AB? Suppose that x is integer, x belongs integer, you will get 0 here and dx. So final answer for integer will be 0. Now suppose that x is not integer, you will get minus 1 for this. So A to B minus 1 dx. So this will be minus x A to B. So this will be minus b plus a minus b. Understood? So nothing is given. So you will take a minus b is the final answer. B is the correct answer. I think question is incomplete. In question, should have information about x. X is whether integer or non-integer. Understood? Any problem? If x is integer, we will get answer as a 0. If x is not integer, we will get answer as a minus b. But if nothing is given, you should consider x is non-integer. X is. So the option B is the correct option. Understood? Everyone, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now solve question number 115. Everyone. 115. Solve everyone. Student, do it. Raksham, are you doing the question?
Yes, sir.
So do question number 116. Sorry, 115. I have done 116. I will tell you the theory behind this. When you integration like x equal to 1 plus or a plus bx raised to n. यार मुझे जल्दी लिखने की आदत है, लिखाता ही नहीं इस पेन से जल्दी. Here put g equal to a plus bx. The theory behind this is that, okay? Here put this. Understood everyone? Very important model. Very important model. I am writing x a plus b x whole raised to n. Then you will put t equal to a plus bx for easy purpose. So like that, 115 is the similar types. Only definite, that means limit is given. In place of a plus bx, I have 1 minus x. So I'll put this. Now dt minus dx, that is minus dt equal to dx. Now xt, when you will put x equal to 0, you will get t equal to 1. When you put x equal to 1, you will get 0. Understood everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now from here, If I will find x, we will get 1 minus t. So for x, I will put 1 minus t. For 1 minus t, I will put t equal to raised to 9. For dx, I will put minus dt. For lower limit 0, I will get lower limit 1. For upper limit 1, I will get limit 0. Now I will interchange upper limit, lower limit. So minus will go plus, okay? So the 0 to 1, t raised to 9, 1 minus 3, dt. So t raised to 9 minus t raised to 10, dt. Now you can solve, sorry, 10. Solve it. Okay? Very, very important question for you, all of you. That's why I written this model, in different model, okay? This is a different model. May I go ahead? When you will interchange the limits from upper to lower, lower to upper, we have to take extra minus to the integration, okay? Earlier we have a minus sign, so minus minus plus. Understood everyone? Now you can integrate this t raised to 10 upon 10 minus t raised to 11 upon 11, 0 to 1. You will get 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 11, and rest will be 0. The final answer 1 upon 1 by 10. Understood everyone? A is the
Yes, sir.
correct answer. Understood everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Saksham, yes.
Yes, sir.
Nivedita, Atulya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now solve. 114. That's a simple question. Solve it. Solve this question. Understood? So in first case, odd function 0. So both A and B will be equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. For 114, odd functions A to B x cube dx equal to 0, magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B, both are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. Right? Now A to A I will write here, but let's take A as a positive, sorry, B as a positive, I will take. So A will be negative, opposite in sign. So here minus A to A and x square dx equal to 2 by 3. This is the even function, so 2 times 0 to A, x square dx, 2 by 3, 2 cancel. So this will be x cube by 3, 0 to A, 1 by 3. So A cube by 3, A is positive 1, A is 1, so minus A is minus 1. So you will get minus 1 comma 1. So option A is the correct option. Understood everyone? Yeah, you can also take by option eliminations. Okay? Understood everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Student? Right. Now solve these very important questions. 113. Odd into odd is even. Odd into odd is even. Sin is odd, tan is odd. Both odd multiplication is even. So we'll write 2 times 0 to pi by 4. Sin square x upon cos x dx. Right? What you will do this? Tell me. Huh? Sec x, tan x. Put multiply with cos and divide with cos. So tan square sec x, sorry, tan square into cos x. Tan square will change into sec square x minus 1, okay? Sec square x minus 1. So you can solve easily. So this will be tan square x into cos x when you multiply with cos. Understood everyone? This is sec square x minus 1 cos x dx. Any problem? Any problem? Now 0 to pi of 4. Sec square into cos x is sec x minus cos x dx. Now you know the integration of both. Both is a standard form. Both is standard form. So 2 times first integration is, second integration is log of mod tan pi 4 plus x by 2 base e, integration of cos x is sin x. Now put lower limit, upper limit and find the answer. Tell me students, hurry up. Can you do this now? Sacha Matullah. Can you do this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve as a homework. Then you calculate as a homework. Then 112. 0 to root x, greatest in x square dx. Do it. Do it. Will not draw the graph you will catch in problem. Draw the graph of x square equal to y. So graph like that. At root 2, you will get height 2. So root 2 comma 2 is the point. Now, before 1, height will be below 1. Okay. So greatest integer will be only this for 0 to 1. Understood everyone? Now, for 1 to root 2, height is between 1 to 2. So greatest integer will be 1 to 2. Understood? So height is 1 here. Now I have to find this area. You will get the integration. You will get the integrations. Because between 0 to 1, the height is 0. So root 2 minus 1 into 1 height, you will get final answer root 2 minus 1. A is the correct answer. Understood everyone? Tell me. Students?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Saksham, Neveta, Atulya, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Saksham, where is your center?
It is in Hadap, sir.
In Harapsa. Atulya, where is your center?
Sir, Kozhikode in Kerala itself.
In Kerala. Irfan, where is your center? Where is your center? Irfan? No answer. Atulya,
Yes, sir.
where is your center?
Kerala, sir.
Kerala. You are in Dubai right now?
No, sir, I'm in Kerala.
इसका सेंटर सर केरला में.
Nevita, Atulya, both of you center in Kerala?
Yes, sir.
So, Nevita, you are in Kerala or Dubai?
Yes, sir. Right now in Dubai.
So, you will come to India for examinations.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And where is center, Susil? Where is center? Absurd. So, maybe you will you can meet with Saksham. Saksham is also in Arabsars. Prem, Singhad.
Nari.
No, I know, Nare on the mountain. Okay. Shivam, where is your center? Tompe, Middle center.
पुणे में वो वारजी सिंहगढ़
Varji. No problem. Now, solve question number. I have done question number 112. Understood this? Tell me. I have drawn y equal to x square graph. Then I mark between 0 to 1. And the greatest integer of x square, I can see that between 0 to 1, the height is below 1. So greatest integer will be 0. Between 1 to root 2, the height is lies between 1 to 2. So greatest integer will be 1. So what is different in different integrations? Can you tell me? Different integration is the sum of signed area. Sum of signed area means the area which is above the x-axis is called positive value, and the area which is below the x-axis is called negative value for different integrations. But for area calculation, whether it is below or above, I will take it is always positive. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So here, graph is always above the x-axis. So we will find the area only. A one rectangle whose length is 1. So height is 1. A length is root 2 minus 1. Understood, Sushil? Now solve. 1, 1, 1, triple 1. Hurry up. Solve this. Solve this by parts. Solve this first by parts, then put the limits. I will suggest you solve this with by parts, then put the limits. For second function, log has low priority than algebraic expression, algebraic functions. So log will be always here as a first function. And the second function will be algebraic. Understood? So the first function u minus v is x dx. I'll put the limits 1 to e. Then minus integration 1 to e. Differentiation of log is 1 by x. Integration of x is x square by 2. So x cancel. So in the first you will get x square by 2 ln x limit 0 to 1 minus 1 by 2 again x square by 2 limit is here limit is 1 to e. Limit is 1 to e. When you will put limit e, so e square by 2 log e is 1 minus 1 by 2 into 0 log 1 is 0 minus 1 by 2 1 by 4 by outside, and then e square minus 1. So we'll get e square by 2 minus 1 by 4 e square minus minus plus 1 by 4 multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So upside 2e square minus e square by 4 plus 1 by 4. Finally, you will get e square plus 1 upon 4. So B is the correct answer. Understood, everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this was triple 1. Now double 10 solve. Simple questions. Now here I can see the formula. Whatever I've written earlier. 0 to pi e raised to x sin x dx. So 1 upon a is 1. Coefficient of x is in power of e. Coefficient of x is 1. So 1 square. And coefficient of x in sine under sine. Again coefficient 1. 1 into sine. E raised to x coefficient is a into sine x. So 1 into sine x. Minus differentiation of sine is cos. A limit will be 0 to pi. Understood everyone? So this will 1 by 2 sin x minus cos x 0 to pi. Now sin 0 pi is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. So minus minus plus. Then minus cos pi is cos sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So this is 1 plus 1. 2 by 2 you will get answer 1 as the final answer. Yeah, e raised to x is the formula. I have left with e raised to x. So I have done the mistakes, blunder mistakes. E raised to x 0 to pi. So here e raised to pi. Here e raised to 0. Understood? Tell me. Any problem? No problem. Plus. So you will get e raised to pi minus minus plus 1 upon 2. That's A is the correct option. A is the
Correct option.
right. So whatever I told you, two important formula, you got the answer. Otherwise, if you don't know that formula, you will take at least 5 to 6 minutes to solve this question, because you will implement by parts 2 times. Then after by parts implementing 2 times, you have to manipulate it. Then you will get an answer. Otherwise, you should left it if you don't know the formula. So earlier I told you what is the formula. If you have a integration e raised to x sin bx dx, right, 1 upon a square plus b square. A sin bx, differentiation of sin is minus this form. I will take minus as a formula, and differentiation of sin is b cos bx e raised to x. Understood everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Raksha Matulya,
Yes, sir.
Navedita, Irfan,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
e raised to x cos bx. Now the formula ready made, you have to remember a square plus b square. I will a cos bx formula minus, then differentiation of cos is minus minus plus b sin bx e raised to x. Okay, I will write here e raised to x in front. You have always calling me right here, right here. No problem, right will write here. Understood? Okay. Tell me, Saksham.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So these two are very important formula. It means important results. Apart from 24 formula, these two are additional. Now solve 11109. Hurry up. You will not get PDF today PDF. That's why you should write this formula. Whatever I'm writing today, you should note down. You should note down. Because I am not giving you the PDF of question solving sessions. Okay. Saksham?
Yes, sir.
So that's why you should write this.
Okay, sir.
At least you should take a screenshot. At least you should take a screenshot. May I go ahead? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now solve from question number 107, 108, 109. All have the simple data, same data. So solve it. Can you do it on your own? Or should I solve this? Tell me.
Sir, we'll try.
Try it. Hurry up. If you know, then I will go ahead.
मुझे लाखों की जरूरत नहीं है, मेरा बेटा तो करोड़ों में एक है।
करोड़ों में एक बस। अरे बेवकूफ मैं क्या आ गया पता नहीं। Should I solve this? Okay. If the area of trapezium is maximum possible, then what is alpha equal to? Three sides of trapezium each is equal to 6 centimeter. Three sides of trapezium. हाँ झोपड़ा ही बना रहा। तेरा लोगों को पता है। गुजरात क्यों रे हंस तुम लोग क्यों रह रहे हैं समझ नहीं आता
सर तुम पे जितना शांत है उतना शांत कोई मिलेगा
ना ना सीधा बच्चा टॉम पे की मत पूछो Three sided trapezium equal to 6 centimeter. Let alpha 0 to pi by 2 the angle between pair of adjacent side. When a pair of adjacent side, right? Length of the fourth side for the maximum area of the trapezium. Trapezium area क्या area क्या होता है जल्दी बता fast.
7/2 then plus
कौन सी बात पे कर रहा है तेरी
Delta equal to
2L 1/2 2L into 2
half of sum of parallel lengths into height.
वो 6 होता है
Right?
दोनों को ट्रायंगल को
So then what I'm going to take. Let three sides of trapezium are equal to 6 centimeter. Alpha belongs the length, the angle between pair of adjacent side. Between 0 to pi by 2. It will be more than two angle will be more than pi by 2. Top angle, these two angle will be. Then which side is it is calling?
अपने अल्फा जो है ना वही करना है वही एंगल निकालना है
टेंशन ही नहीं है ये वाला लेंथ लेना ऐसे परपेंडिकुलर ऐसे लेना देख इक्वल ये हुआ 6 सेंटीमीटर 6 सेंटीमीटर सिक्स सेंटीमीटर ये अल्फा हुआ ना ये 90 ठीक है ये वाला ज्यादा बेटर है राइट लेंथ एल कितना तो डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू हाफ एल प्लस 6 इंटू हाइट 6 ओके एनी बाबला
मैक्सिमम मेरे ख्याल से दो ट्रायंगल का एरिया मैक्सिमम होना चाहिए और बीच
अल्फा निकल जाएगा ना अल्फा कैसे निकलेगा मैं देखता हूँ पहले एल निकलेगा तो अल्फा निकलेगा कितना डेल्टा डी डेल्टा अपॉन डी एल 3 एल प्लस 6 तो होगा ही नहीं रे कहाँ हो रहा है सम ऑफ हाँ।
वो उधर से पर एक टन खींचेंगे तो स्क्वायर बनाएंगे और ट्रायंगल बनाएंगे। यहाँ का नाम है सर।
एक दो ट्रायंगल बनेंगे और एक स्क्वायर बनेगा ना सर।
पहले वाला डायग्राम सही था ना, ये वाला डायग्राम सही था। झोपड़ा क्या है? ये क्या कर रहे रे तुम लोग? हाइट हाइट हंस रहा है, हंस रहा है, हंस रहा है।
सर वो नीचे ट्रायंगल छोड़ के वो 6 हो जाएगी।
रुको, इसको टोटल एल माना, कितना माना? एल माना। तो आइसोसेलेस ट्रेपीजियम है ये, कोई दिक्कत? अगर ये एक्स है तो ये भी एक्स है, कितना है? बीच में 6 है, ठीक है ना? तो एक्स कितना निकालेंगे?
मैक्सिमम के लिए x इक्वल टू h मिल जाएगी।
देखो 2x प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू एल है, x इज इक्वल टू एल माइनस 6 अपॉन 2। अंडरस्टूड? टेल मी यस या नो? ना असल में हाइट निकला है, वही हाइट नहीं दिख रहा था मुझे। हाइट इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 36 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। अंडर रूट 36 माइनस एल माइनस 6 अपॉन 2 टू द होल स्क्वायर। नाउ आई विल डिफरेंशिएट। डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू एरिया हाफ पैरेलल लेंथ सम L plus 6 into height half L plus 6, H is under root 36 minus L minus 6 upon 2 to the whole square। अब इसका एरिया मैक्सिमाइज करो, एल निकलेगा। एरिया मैक्सिमाइज करो, एल निकलेगा, जल्दी टेल मी। हाँ, डाट सट्टा 45 होना चाहिए, कितना चाहिए? 45 होना चाहिए। तब 45 होगा, राइट? कितना नंबर है ये? सी 107 का सी 5/3 60 डिग्री, कितना?
ट्रायंगल बन रहेगा
हाँ,
साइड में।
नहीं नहीं, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल कैसे बने? अरे 60 हो गया तो थोड़े से इक्विलेटरल हो गया। 60 हुआ ना, राइट?
सर उधर तो 90 हो गया।
बोला तो यहाँ से। हाँ,
एक तो 90 हो गया।
190 कहाँ है? कुछ भी कहाँ? नहीं, कहीं 90 नहीं लिया मैंने।
h और x
वो नहीं, एक्चुअल ये वाला एंगल है ट्रेपीजियम के। ये एंगल, ये एंगल, ये एंगल अल्फा, कितना? राइट? इसका याद कर लो। मैक्सिमम के लिए, एरिया के लिए कितना होना चाहिए? 60 डिग्री, कितना हुआ? 30 डिग्री, कितना हुआ? तो देख 90, 90 ये 3 हुआ तो ये भी 3 हुआ। 3 6 12 दिया गया इसका आंसर 108 का, देके 108 का डी आंसर। हाँ, करेक्ट, यही डायग्राम सही है। तो ये एक चीज याद कर लो, मैक्सिमम के लिए ये चीज याद करो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इसको ही जब डिफरेंशिएट करोगे, मैक्सिमाइज करोगे, यहाँ देखो अरे यहाँ देखो, इसको मैक्सिमाइज करोगे एल इज इक्वल टू तुम्हें आएगा 12 सेंटीमीटर। कितना आएगा? एल जब 12 आ जाएगा तुम्हारा, 12 आएगा तो एक्स तुम्हारा कितना आ जाएगा? 3 आ जाएगा। एक्स 3 आएगा। 90 के सामने 6, 60 के सामने 3, तो तुम्हारा वो भी लेंथ आ सकता है, हाइट। समझ में आएगी ना? तो यहाँ से सिंपल सी बात है, मैक्सिमाइज करने में टाइम लगेगा। तुम याद रखो, एंगल को याद रखो। फॉर मैक्सिमम ट्रापेजियम थ्री साइड्स आर सेम, एंगल कितना? π/3, 60 डिग्री। देन यू कैन सॉल्व ऑल द रेस्ट थिंग्स। मैक्सिमम एरिया कितना होगा? देख, मैक्सिमम एरिया भी निकाल दूंगा मैं अभी। देखिए 3 है तो ये √3 है। कितना? यहाँ देख रहे, ये 3 है तो हाइट कितना हुआ? 3√3 हो गया। तो मैक्सिमम एरिया इसका आ गया हाफ। 12 6 18, कितना हुए? 18 और 3√3 कितना हुआ? तुम्हारा हो गया 9 3 27√3। कितना हुआ? देखो, सी द करेक्ट आंसर। समझ में आया कि नहीं आया ना? एक चीज तुम याद रखोगे इसके लिए, नहीं तो इसको सॉल्व करो, इट्स योर चॉइस वेदर यू विल सॉल्व दिस फॉर्मूला और यू विल रिमेंबर। Saksham, Nivita, Atulya, understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you are going to maximize this, you will get L equal to 12 centimeter. You get L equal to 12 centimeter, X equal to 3.
मेरे होने के लिए उसके दोनों लेग्स होते हैं वो इक्वल चाहिए।
हाँ,
राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का एरिया मैक्सिमम होने के लिए।
नहीं वैसा नहीं। राइट एंगल मैक्सिमम होने के लिए वो तुम्हें जो लेंथ है ना, लेंथ के अकॉर्डिंग फिर उसको डिफरेंशिएट करना। कंडीशन दिया होना चाहिए। क्या है? कंडीशन दिया होना चाहिए। किस कंडीशन में दिया गया तो मैक्सिमम आएगा, राइट? जैसे अंडर सर्कल, क्या है? अंडर सर्कल रेक्टेंगल का जो मैक्सिमम एरिया होता है, वैसा रेक्टेंगल जो स्क्वायर होता है, क्या होता है? तो वहाँ कंडीशन दिया हुआ है, इनसाइड अ स्क्वायर, इनसाइड अ सर्कल, if you are taking a rectangle, the maximum of a rectangle will be if it will be a square, if it will be a square. Understood? तो कंडीशन दिया होना चाहिए। Understood? Any problem? Now solve 106. Everyone, last question of today. Very good questions. Solve this question. As well as 97. You have to solve. Solve, everyone. Solve this. Now solve 106. मैम प्रेजेंट है? मैम आ गए? इसका लेक्चर है? अच्छा, आ गया? Saksham, Navita, Atulya, are you solving the 106? Question number? उनका ये करेगा यूट्यूब पे ब्रॉडकास्ट।
सबका
मेरा कहाँ होता है?
होता है ना।
सर वो यूट्यूब सर वो जुफर सर वो यूट्यूब ये जो हरी लाइन है वो।
अभी है टाइम। अब तक किया ना स्वप्निल ने भी नहीं किया। ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एनसीईआरटी बुक का सर जीरो वॉचिंग में क्यों मेहनत कर रहे हैं?
Saksham, Atulya, Navita, tell me, have you solved the question number?
Sir, 1 second.
Option A is the correct option. Now I'll draw the graph for you. Y square equal to 6 times x minus 1. So vertex is 1 comma 0. Vertex is 1 comma 0. So graph will go like that. Now the graph is y square equal to 3x. So graph will go like that. So you have to find area of this portion. Area of, first you should solve 6 times x minus 1 into 3x. 6x minus 3x equal to 6. So 3x is equal to 6, x is equal to 2. You will get here x as a 2 and y you will get 2 minus 1, 1 y square plus minus. So we will get root 6 here and 2 comma minus root 6 here. Okay, Saksham, Niveta Tulya.
हेलो हेलो सर इधर भी ध्यान दे दो हेलो कैप सर भाई किधर भी ध्यान दे
Understood, Niveta Tulya.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now solve upper portion and do it double times. Okay, solve the upper portions and do it double times. So how you will solve? Solve along y-axis. So you will find x from the first graph. So y square equals 6 times x minus 1, y square by 1, y square by 6 plus 1 equal to x. And one graph is y square by 3 equal to x. So bigger graph minus a smaller graph. Bigger graph is y square by 6 plus 1 minus a smaller graph is y square by 3, right? And integrate with respect to dy, and you will integrate between 0 to root 6. What you will get to the upside, you will get downside. So do it double times, 2 times. Understood, everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now you can integrate and then solve. So I am running out of time. So I will stop here, okay? Everyone understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So thank you for listening to my lecture.
Thank you, sir.
वन आपका लाइव देखिए ना